Welcome back to another video, guys. So on today's video we are making something a little different. We are doing honey lime chicken. So I have some whole chicken parts here, and to that I'm adding some simple seasonings, just some salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and some garlic salt. I didn't want to add too much seasonings to it to overpower the two main ingredients, which is the honey and the lime, but feel free to go ahead and add whatever seasonings you wish. So you just want to go ahead and just rub that in, get it under the skin, and get it well coated on the chicken. So on to our sauce portion. So in a small sauce pot I have a tablespoon of oil, and to that I added a 1/3 cup of honey. Gonna let that reduce, and to that I am adding a teaspoon of soy sauce as well. And then I am adding 1 tablespoon of lime juice. I actually added 2, but I'd advise you to use 1, and you'll see why later. So just stir that to combine. So to that I went ahead and added some minced garlic, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and some thyme leaves to let that incorporate and reduce into the sauce. I also went ahead and added 2/3 cup of water to that as well. So you just want to go ahead and let that sit on the stove for approximately 5 minutes. Let it marinate and do its thing and come together, and then set it aside for later. To a heated skillet I am adding my chicken, and please be careful because as you can see that oil was popping all over. So I'm just adding my chicken so that they can brown and get some color on each side. And this won't take too long, approximately 10 minutes, because I just want to get some color and start the cooking process because it will be going into the oven. So we're just flipping the chicken onto the other side so that it can cook and get that nice brown color that we are trying to achieve. So this is the process on the chicken, how it's looking. So after it is finished browning on each side, we're going to go ahead and add that sauce that we had made straight into that same skillet. And to that, we are going to add our lime wedges, and we are going to go directly into the oven. So ensure that the pot that you cook the chicken in can go into the oven, or you can transfer it into an oven safe dish and put it in the oven, or you could just finish cooking it off on the stove top. So we're going into the oven to finish the cooking process, and the chicken will get a nice deep rich color. So here we are after approximately 30 minutes. This is how we're looking. It's done. It looks pretty good to me. What do you think? So that's it. This is basically the end of the video. So I hope you guys like this one. It's a little different. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment down below.